Why most online business never get traffic even with a good product? Let me be honest with you. Most online business don't fail because their product is bad. They fail because nobody even see it. You can have a great product, a clean website, even a good content, but there no traffic, nothing happens, no click, no leads, no sales. And this is the part nobody talking about. A lot of people think when I build it, traffic will comes. It's just posting normally on social media, waiting months for SEO, spending money on ads without system. That's why so many people quit. Traffic is not luck. Traffic is not talent. Traffic is a system. If you don't have a system that brings people you every day for your business always fragile. The biggest mistake beginner makes on focusing on logos, website, content perfection instead of one question. How do people find me consistently? Solve that and everything else become easier. But today I recommend you the solution is called AI Traffic Wire. Is one a most powerful software generating lead and sales. Let's show this. It comes with a product. AI Builder Page Pro. One-click AI human that turn low-cost traffic into buyers. Optimize on conversion even without a website or funnel. Plus, AI landing page builder, AI writer builder in one. Turn any traffic into leads and future buyer. Optimize for a conversion. Just plug into the front for you funnel. And two, quick setup guide. Get your buyer intent traffic following in a minute, designed to take you from just pushed traffic activity converting as fast as possible. No teach, no hitches. Just plug in, switch on, and start requiring a real buyer intent visitor and two VIP support. And I create this PDF understanding AI traffic while you completely guide to find your customer online. I give you for free the link in the description if you want to download it.